Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your site with Bluehost Backups, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Once logged in, navigate to your Bluehost dashboard. Locate the My Sites tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Manage Site button for the site you wish to backup. Next, go to the Backups tab within the Management area. In the Backups section, you'll see an overview of available backup options. Look for the option labeled Create New Backup. Click on this button to initiate the backup process. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Confirm your choice to proceed. Once the backup is created, you'll see a notification indicating the process is complete. To view your backups, scroll down to the Backup History section. Here, you can see a list of all backups created for your site. If you wish to restore from a previous backup, click on the Restore button next to the desired backup. Confirm the restoration process if prompted. After the process is finished, you will see a notification confirming the successful restoration. Your site is now backed up and can be restored at any time. Consider setting up regular backups for ongoing security. This ensures your site's data is safe from potential issues. Regular backups provide peace of mind for any website owner. You have now successfully backed up your site using Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.